Hello, Sam from StudentIt. I just wanted to talk to you today about what you should buy for student accommodation if you're moving in there this year or next year, or you're just preparing for it. So I'm going to try and cover this as quickly as possible, so sorry if it's quick, but if you do need to go back and watch it again, please do, and you can always save it for later. So student accommodation is fairly unique in the fact that it will provide some of these things for you. And it's quite general across the board. And in student housing, it's kettle, microwave, toaster. Have your basics like your ovens and cupboards and stuff like that. They're all fixed in. If you're living in an apartment, you'll get your TV in the lounge sorted for you, most likely with Netflix, because that seems to be a common approach now. If you're living in a studio, they will give you one in your bedroom for you, again with Netflix usually provided, because it seems to be a common thing. However, starting in the kitchen, these are some of the things that you need to buy. You will need tea towels, oven gloves, kitchen utensils, pots, pans, saucers, cups, bowls, plates. That's a very general overview. Make sure you know what they have in, and if some student accommodations give you a welcome pack, if they do, find out what's in there. Make sure you can bring the rest, and you'll have all the rest there waiting for you. So know what is being provided and know what you need to bring. Some places will have it, some places won't, and some people might offer you a gift pack. So that might be part of their offer or incentive. Moving to the bathroom, they're not really going to provide anything here, so you're going to need to bring it all for yourself. So towels, bath shower mats, shower gel, shampoo, cleaning products, and a laundry basket, something like that. And all your sanitary and hygiene products as well. Bedroom, these are the things that you need to look at. They'll give you the bed, duvet, pillows, desk lamp, desk and all that kind of stuff. What you need to bring are mattress protector, pillow covers, bottom sheets, and duvet covers as well. So you just basically need to bring the set with you, because that'll be yours, because they're not going to share that and give that out to everyone else. However, they might give They might give you that in a set as a welcome pack, because obviously you don't know what size the bed is. So always ask. Lounge, dining room. So you'll get your basics of your sofa and your settee, your chair, bits like that. You might want to ask if you get Netflix, because then you can obviously buy one as a house or use it as others. Other common items are speakers, blankets, throws, and extra pillows. Not many accommodations provide pillows, so it might be worth having some or going and get some. Some general items for you personally are socket adapters, extension cables, and desk fans. I know in the UK we don't need it too much. However, if it gets a bit stuffy, you can just put it on, and they're about £10 from Tesco. Things that you aren't going to need as a household, Hoover, ironing board, desk lamp, storage boxes, and bikes, because they usually cover all these aspects. If you have any questions, or if you want to go into more detail, I have written a blog or an article about it on the website, student-it.com. If you have any questions, ask me through the website and I'll happily answer them for you.